This tutorial will cover a quick overview of online bill pay. Online bill pay is accessible by logging into your plummaster.com customer account. Account holders can now access and pay invoices online using most major credit card and ACH bank information. The summary page is the default screen and will provide you information such as your outstanding balance, a document link to open invoices, last payment details, and a payment button in the bottom left to either pay total outstanding balance, current, or 30-day past due balance. You can also make a partial payment by clicking on Pay Other Amount. When making a partial payment, it's important to note that the payment amount will be applied towards the oldest dated invoice. To continue, go ahead and enter a dollar amount and click Pay Amount. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to add your bank information or a credit card on file. Go ahead and enter your information. When completed, hit Save. We're now looking at the payment details page. This shows you the payment account associated with the payment being made. If you have multiple payments account information loaded, we can then select that information here. We can see how the payment amount is being applied towards the current invoice, and we can then hit Next to continue to move forward with authorization. Because this is a partial payment, we'll be required to enter a reason why. Please review the drop-down list and select the best option. Hit Save. And now we need to authorize the payment. Click Authorize. And now we have a confirmation of our payment. To continue, hit Done to bring us back to the summary page. The summary page will now show us the last payment made on our account. We're now going to take a look at open and closed invoices. To see open invoices, we're going to click on the Open tab. In the Open tab, we're going to see our total balance of open invoices, each individual invoice with the invoice amount, and if we want, we can download the entire list of invoices via PDF, or we can click on an individual invoice via the PDF icon to open up that invoice. We can then review the invoice here on the screen, or go back to continue to other invoices. We can also click on the Closed Invoice tab to view all previously paid and closed invoices. To view payment history, we're going to click on the Payment History tab. This will show us all previously paid invoices through the online bill pay portal. And from here, we can download all invoices or download individual invoices using the checkbox feature on the left. We're now going to take a closer look at the Settings tab, which will allow us to set up email notifications, new payment accounts, and autopay. Under the Settings tab, we're going to navigate to Payment Settings, and from here we can add or remove payment accounts. We can also set up autopay settings. To set up autopay, we're going to select Auto Payment Enabled, select our primary payment account, and enter a maximum payment amount. Any bill less than the maximum will be paid automatically. Larger bills will need to be paid manually. So let's enter an amount. We want to make sure we review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box and hit Save. In the Settings section, we can also set up email notifications. To set up notifications, click on the Notification Settings tab. From here, we can check off the box if we want to attach a PDF copy of the bill to email notifications. That concludes the online bill pay tutorial. We hope that you will find this information valuable.